In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lucidchart for UML. If you want to do that, head over right here to lucidchart.com and then click on the sign up free in order to sign up using email, or you can also sign up using Google, Microsoft, or Slack. So just choose right here which one you want to use. Now into this case, you can actually see these options. Since I already have an account, let me head over and click onto this sign up free. Into this part, you can either sign up for free or you can click onto this login. Enter your email or username and log in with the password. Now this is what my dashboard looks like altogether. So on my dashboard, I can explore or create from templates, start with a blank whiteboard or diagram. I'll head over and start with this one that I have already created. Now in here, UML is actually something that helps clearly map out the structure of a particular system by modeling its classes, attributes, operations, and relationships. So in order to create a UML, what we can do is we can just head over and enable the UML shape library into our actual design. So in order to enable it, head over right here to your document and then click on the shape icon right here. Now in here, just head over and then check the UML option and then enable save. You can head over and click on the more shapes option and you can see in here the featured library. Just head over and search in here for UML. So you can utilize this sidebar right here. Make sure to enable it right there and click on this use selected shape. You can now see in here this UML class libraries. So under this part, you can just utilize those right here. Like for example, you can add those into this parts. So let's add some. And here is what it looks like. We have in here attributed by class. We also have in here this what it looks like. Have constraints. We also have in here layers. So you can actually utilize them however you want. And you can also use this UML options like for the actor. We also have use cases, extension points, containers, and the likes. So that's how you use Lucid Charts for UML. Hope we helped.